Hello students, good morning. In today's session, we are here to learn general knowledge, that is GK. So, let's get into our second unit, Tell Us Apart. Have you heard of this word apart? What is apart? The meaning of the word apart is separate from the other. So, the meaning of the word apart is separate. In today's session, we are here to learn some interesting facts. So, let's get into the lesson. There are some animals which look so similar, which you cannot tell them apart. Now, let's see some interesting animals which look so similar. The first one is crocodiles and alligators. Crocodiles and alligators belong to the order, that is family Crocodilia. Once again I repeat it, crocodiles and alligators belong to the order Crocodilia. Crocodiles and alligator look the same. The best way to differentiate is to look at the shape of their heads. Crocodiles have a longer head which shapes like V, whereas alligators have shorter head which shapes like U. We can also differentiate these animals by checking their teeth. After they have closed their jaws, if you found the teeth projecting out along the jawline of the animal's closed mouth, then it is crocodile, whereas the alligator's teeth are hidden when it closes its mouth because the top jaw of the alligator is wider than the lower jaw. The next one is moths and butterflies. Moths and butterflies belong to the order Lepidoptera. I repeat it. Moths and butterflies belong to the order Lepidoptera. We can easily find the difference between the moths and the butterflies. The antennae of the butterfly will be club-shaped with a long shaft. The moth's antennae will be feathery. Also, the wings of the butterfly that fold up vertically over its back and the moth's wings, which are like a tent, are folded over the abdomen. You can easily identify the moths and butterflies. The next one is turtles and tortoises. Turtles and tortoises belong to the order Chestnudens. The primary difference between the turtles and tortoises is their habitat, that is, its living environment. Turtle lives in water with the webbed feet and it has a lightweight shell. But tortoise lives on land. It has a heavier dome-like shell and a stumpy feet, that is short feet, which helps to travel through a rough surface. And the final one is rabbits and hares. Rabbits and hares belong to the order Lagomorpha. Rabbits and hares belong to the order Lagomorpha. Hares are larger and faster than rabbits with the longer and a bigger feet. Their speed helps them to run away fast from the danger, while the rabbits tend to escape to its burrow when it was at risk. So, rabbits and hares, they may look similar, but they are different from each other. So, crocodiles and alligators, moths and butterflies, turtles and tortoises, rabbits and hares. They may look similar, but they are different from each other. Students, hope you enjoyed this unit. Have a good day. Thank you.